Everybody, Jim King, back out here in Garden City, Missouri. This is our stone foundation renovation. We're getting started on it. We've been here a few days. I'm not going to walk around and show you what we have accomplished thus far, but we've rubbed all the walls. We're coming in here and putting our special blend of concrete, covering the entire wall, filling all the gaps first, and then covering it with about a half-inch thick spread of a special recipe of Piers concrete over these walls, and then we'll come back in after it sets up and dries, and we'll put bare dry lock or waterproofing paint over the top of it. It'll just pop and stand out, very bright. Then we're going to come in here and do some remove and replace concrete, fill that in with some new concrete. Then we're going to these vertical support columns here is what's holding up the floor. We're going to come in here with some temporaries. We're going to saw cut around this right here, remove this, go down with a 2 foot by 2 foot, 2 foot thick concrete footing, and then cut on all of them, and then come back with a vertical 6 by 6 treated wood support beam sitting down on these new big footings. That'll be flush with the floor. So kind of limited in height here. It's for short people, and I am short, but not quite short enough. Got to bend over. So stay tuned for more videos as this project progresses out here. Got a real good group of guys out here doing this. So stay in contact with these videos. You can see best foundation repair being done on the planet. That's why we videotape these jobs to show before and afters and how we do it. Whether we're lifting a building at the footing or a house at the footing, bringing it back up to level, or making stone foundation walls Piers strong and waterproof, we do it every day. And I believe we are the nation's very best. So stay tuned as we get going out here and get this project completed. Piers, for all your foundation repairing needs, call us 816-288-4373. You can always go to my website, kingpiers.com. Check us out on Facebook. Give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to us on YouTube. And that'd be it. Thank you.